Hello and welcome to this new lecture on arrow functions. Today we'll talk about how to use functions and what an arrow function is. So without further ado, let's begin. Due to the extensive application of these two concepts in subsequent lectures, so these two major themes will be thoroughly discussed now. Alright, so to begin, declare a function, declare a variable, and then provide some random parameters to understand this notion. Create a new function now. Give it the name fun and add a few random parameters. Do so now using a few multiplication related arithmetic operators. The code looks like this. Let x equals fun brackets 2060 function fun ab return a multiplied by b. Close curly brackets. When you run this code, nothing will be displayed once you've typed node index.js into the terminal, since you need to use the console to print data or values. Thus, console now as follows: let x equals fun 2060 function fun ab return ab a star b console.log x. Now if you save the code, 1200 will be printed in the terminal. But if you do an addition instead of a multiplication, like as follows: let x equals fun 2060 function fun brackets ab curly brackets return a plus b console.log brackets x. Now the result 80 will be printed in the terminal once you've saved the aforementioned code. That way we can call the function, and it depends on what kind of logic you're building. So I might do some calculations here, but I'll do the work for the basics, just to learn about the basics. So keep things simple for the time being. Let's now examine how to apply this idea to the arrow function. So compared to the normal function, the arrow function is quicker and more efficient. Let's create a variable called sum with the name let, give it the values a and b, and then use the arrow function to demonstrate how it works. Return a plus b now using the arrow function. Write the random numbers after doing console and calling the sum function. This procedure's code is as follows: let sum equals a b forward arrow return a plus b console.log brackets sum 1020. Once you save the code and type console node index.js in the terminal, the result 30 will be displayed. If the division symbol is used instead of the addition sign, the result displayed will be 0.5. So that was how to use the arrow function. As soon as React lectures begin, this topic will be discussed at an advanced level because it will be used extensively in React. So the basics of these notions are now evident for you. And that's it basically for this lecture, so let's move on to the next one.